kum ka jigai man siam ya ki wei ki Samla ki badan jing Duna Dkhot man bakinam red na ka batre hitam la ka long ha ka jingpule lani ha ki kam Ïalehkai uba Sanbor Shulai MLA ka BJP na South Shillong ha ka khatlai tere unai tung araja arpusaw ula sei la ka tulop jong u Ïarap Pisa ya henriu ngot ki Samla ki bapau shakmat ha ki te ki artli ki bentaw wat ha pedeng ka jing Duna ha ki Dkhot man uba Sanbor Shulai ul IT Shilak Tingkai ya ka Samla Priska Pringrop kaban let mi khmat ka World Arm Wrestling Championship araja arpusaw kaban long hari Moldova hadauba Europe Nalor kini uba Sanbor la Ïarap mar arpo hajar tingkai ya sangot ki baduna Dkhot man bukan top ya an kita das kabla yo prabukandai point pralai persen na ka Eksam SSLC araja arpusaw uskem lang lingdo ka Aisilda thaba ka sirpailin wa lang but Noventius Royki Dkhar ki papau na ki kamyale sports Ya kini ka program pun kuburam la punlong Dakaraj Laban Sports Social and Cultural Club hakaji tray lang bat uba Sanbor Shulai ha State Convention Center Kini ki khna ki Samla ki dei na Ferrando Speech and Hearing Center Yam Bethany Society Shillong Jyotis Road School Shillong but na Lumparing Vidyapit Secondary School Shillong
The message will go that though they are blessed by the Almighty God in the form of disability, but still they manage to they manage to pass out very well. They're sincere. They are very sincere, hard work, dedicated in studies and also in sports. But the message will go. We have experienced, we have seen only in my constituency and in the part of our states that there are students who are normal, who hail from the rich family, going to school by own transportation, coming from school by their own transportation, having extra tuition, paying 4-5 maths teacher or science teacher or extra expenditure they are paying to do the extra tuition. But still they could not success in their soul stories because they are not sincere. And this is the message that why if our young students, they can do it. They can, they are trying their best. They are sincerely work hard, and they are very successful, both into education, sports, and other activities. Why not us? This is the message. So today we felicitate them, and very clear. I'm going to inform to each and every one of you that today the financial assistance, because one of the students, Miss Priska Pungro of Bethany Society, just recently she have all of them. They have secured gold medal, bronze medal, silver medal in the national game, in the state games, national games. I'm very happy to inform you that Miss Priska Pungro has been selected to represent our Meghalaya state at Slonova, Europe country, which the program which will be the competition will be held in the month of August. She'll be leaving, I think, by 14th of August, representing us. And since we don't have any source, so from my 1 month MLA salary earning, because as you are all aware, all 60 MLA of Meghalaya, we are getting 2,03,000 per month. 2,03,000 per month, and 1 month salary I have sponsored 1 lakh for Priska Pungro for her transportation and other expenses to travel till Europe to participate in the arm wrestling, para-arm wrestling on behalf of each and every one of us. And also 20,000 each for the remaining 5 students who will be participating in the national game very soon, and who have all duly received the medals in various arm wrestling competition in every part of India.
Sanbor to kindly felicitate Mr. Samla. Please give him a huge round of applause. He really deserves one. Please give him a huge round of applause. Please join me in giving her a huge round of applause. From our Honorable MLA. Iselda, we are very proud of you. Please give her a huge round of applause.
Kumno ba Raju?
Kumne kong, ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro.
Hoi ki biang lor.
Ai kira shon jong menta ubnai.
Hoi ta.
Ba? Ukau iu unia.
Kong undi udai ukau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba? Ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umdei ubabha.
Kong, kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi, ki kta ya kakot ka khaya ka jongi. Manta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam ki long ni em ki batei ya kamet ka phat jongi. Ladangi bam ki jingbam ki bomtei ya kamet ka phat jongi. Ila ban yo ya ka jingpang dunas nam bat ka jing bria ki kman.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 udan jinga dei kumno.
Yo iya ka jingtei ya kamet ka phat ka jongi nak jingbam ka bangi bam man la kasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ki jingduna jongkine ngien ngat haki babun ki ja jingpa ka sarkar ka persangkat bala banwanra ya ka koj ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha bau khau ata kamlu kadut bat ke ompnyang bam. Ki dei bandon ya ke jingbam ki bantei ya kamet. Knang baha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu sanpo persen kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet. But lai kerteng yaki 45 ila banitu yaki da ka sharp plus F haki.
Ba uni ujing bam plus F pat ngila ban yo ne ai.
Nang ni kong nagani ka daw ka sarkar kalapan mi yaki skim ICDS MDM PDS kabha na kabanta upaj ba. Ka sarkar mi kalamang kerpang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan na ka ba kilapha daw khau ba bhatam na kabanta ki khna bat kilong kimi ki ba armen. Dei na kata ka daw patang da uni ujat khau ba bhatam ban sam shabaro kilong yeng. Nang ni shakman. Tang da khau fortified.
Ba fikran ya ka jing shisha.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.